As a dog owner, one of the most important aspects of having a canine companion is establishing a strong bond with them. One way to deepen this bond is through grooming rituals, and this is especially true for Akita owners. Akitas are a unique breed of dog known for their loyal and protective nature, and engaging in grooming activities with them can create a special and intimate connection between you and your furry friend. Grooming a dog does not simply involve basic maintenance tasks, such as bathing or brushing their coat. It encompasses a much broader spectrum of activities, including nail trimming, teeth brushing, and ear cleaning. By regularly and attentively performing these grooming rituals on your Akita, you are not only ensuring their physical health and well-being, but also establishing a routine that strengthens the emotional connection you share. One of the most crucial components of grooming rituals with Akitas is, undoubtedly, brushing their thick double coat. Akitas have a dense, lush fur that keeps them warm in cold weather but can be a challenge to maintain. Regular brushing is essential to prevent matting and tangling, which can lead to discomfort and even skin problems for your Akita. Furthermore, the act of brushing your dog's coat allows you to spend quality time together and engage in physical touch that they will appreciate. When it comes to brushing an Akita, it is important to invest in the right tools. A slicker brush is ideal for removing loose hair and preventing matting, while a shedding rake can effectively remove the dead hair from their undercoat. Gentle and patient handling is crucial during this process, as Akitas have sensitive skin. Moreover, taking this time to bond with your dog, soothingly talking to them, and rewarding them with treats will create a positive grooming experience for both of you. Another essential grooming ritual for Akitas is nail trimming. Long nails not only pose a risk of injury to your dog, but can also cause discomfort and affect their posture and movement. While some Akitas naturally wear down their nails through exercise, it is still necessary to monitor and trim them regularly. It is recommended to use a nail clipper specifically designed for dogs and to be cautious and trim only the tip of the nail to avoid cutting the quick. If you are not confident in doing this yourself, it is best to seek the assistance of a professional groomer. In addition to brushing and nail trimming, dental care is another aspect of grooming that should not be overlooked. Dental diseases are common in dogs, and Akitas are no exception. Regularly brushing your Akita's teeth with a dog toothbrush and toothpaste specifically formulated for canines can help prevent plaque buildup, gum disease, and bad breath. Incorporating this grooming ritual into your routine will not only maintain your dog's oral health, but also strengthen the bond you share by establishing trust and intimacy. Lastly, let us not forget about the importance of ear cleaning in the grooming rituals for Akitas. Their ears are prone to wax buildup and infections, so it is crucial to clean them regularly. Using a dog ear cleaning solution and cotton balls, gently wipe the outer ear and remove any visible dirt or wax. Be careful not to insert anything into the ear canal, as it can cause damage. Regularly inspecting and cleaning your Akita's ears will help prevent discomfort and potential health issues. In conclusion, grooming rituals provide a wonderful opportunity for Akita owners to strengthen their bond with their four-legged friends. It is not merely a task to maintain their physical appearance, but rather a way to engage in physical touch, build trust, and create a positive and intimate experience together. Regularly brushing their double coat, trimming their nails, cleaning their teeth, and caring for their ears are all essential aspects of grooming Akitas that will contribute to their overall well-being and the deepening of the bond you share. So, make grooming time a priority and cherish these moments of connection with your Akita. Why are living testaments to the incredible capacities of courage and loyalty